This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make quiz videos for YouTube Full Guide. Start by choosing a clear theme and target audience, then write a concise question bank with varied difficulty levels. Next, map each question to visuals and timing so answers feel fair. Make a simple scoring system, and decide if you want instant feedback or a reveal at the end. Keep transitions smooth and energy steady while recording for best viewer retention. Prepare like a pro by organizing content before you hit record. Label each question with expected answer time and on-screen graphics needed, then build a storyboard to visualize flow. Record voiceovers in a quiet room and capture separate audio tracks when possible to improve editing flexibility. Gather royalty-free music and sound effects that match quiz energy, and set up visual templates for scoreboards and timers to speed up production later. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. I wear them when scripting and recording for long sessions. Check the description for the product link and other deals to support the channel. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. When recording, keep delivery friendly and slightly faster than normal to maintain momentum. Use visual cues like pop-up timers and animated reveals to reward correct answers and to keep viewers guessing. Edit with jump cuts to eliminate pauses and add up beat music under 3 to 5% of peak audio to avoid overpowering your voice. Review for pacing and clarity, then render a master file and upload with a compelling thumbnail and clear description.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.